Is love at first sight actually love? Love at first sight, LAFS, has long captured our imagination. But is it merely a romantic notion or a genuine phenomenon? Let's delve into the complexities of LAFS to uncover its true nature. 1. Is love at first sight just lust at first sight? Some argue that LAFS is merely lust in disguise, driven solely by physical attraction. However, it's more nuanced than that. LAFS involves a deep emotional response, encompassing desires for both physical and emotional connection. It's like a magnetic pull towards someone, fueled by the hope of a meaningful relationship beyond the surface. 2. Beyond the physical, attractiveness and praiseworthiness. At the core of LAFS lies a dual evaluation. While physical allure plays a role, it's not the sole factor. Individuals experiencing LAFS also project positive traits onto their potential partner, such as kindness and wisdom. It's a holistic view that goes beyond mere physical attraction. 3. The role of projection, imagining a future together. In LAFS, individuals often project idealized qualities onto their crush, envisioning a future filled with love and happiness. Despite limited information, they believe in the potential for a profound connection. It's like seeing a glimpse of a beautiful painting and imagining the masterpiece it could become. 4. Is love at first sight profound romantic love? While LAFS may lack the depth of long-term love, it's not devoid of significance. The intensity of emotions experienced in LAFS lays the groundwork for potential profound relationships. It's like planting a seed of love that has the potential to blossom into something beautiful with time and nurturing. The reality of love at first sight. Despite its romantic allure, LAFS isn't always a fairy tale ending. It's based on projections and initial impressions which may or may not align with reality. While some LAF stories lead to enduring love, others fade away as reality sets in. It's a delicate balance between hope and reality, where the outcome varies from one situation to another. Love at first sight remains a captivating phenomenon, blending elements of attraction, projection, and hope. While it may not guarantee everlasting love, it's a testament to the power of human connection and the possibility of finding profound relationships in unexpected moments. What are your thoughts on love at first sight? Have you ever experienced it yourself? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe the channel.